Hello, everyone. Right now, pause for a second and just listen, not to me, but to your own mind. What's happening in there? Are there multiple thoughts at once? Random ideas? Maybe a conversation replaying or something you need to do later. Just notice. This is what we call mental noise. What is mental noise? Mental noise is simply unnecessary thoughts, repetitive thinking, internal distractions. It's not wrong, it's just constant. Your mind is always trying to plan, analyze, remember, predict. And while that's useful, too much of it creates clutter. Why it affects your perception? Imagine trying to hear a soft sound in a room full of louder voice. It becomes difficult. In the same way, when your mind is noisy, you miss subtle things like emotional shifts, small behavioral cues, your own intuitive signals. So, clarity doesn't come from adding more effort, it comes from reducing internal noise. You don't need to stop thinking. Let's clear a common misunderstanding. You don't need to force your mind to be blank, eliminate all thoughts. That usually creates more tension. Instead, you are learning to notice thoughts, let them pass, not engage with every single one. Let's do a simple practice observe and release. Let's try this. Sit comfortably, bring your attention to your thoughts. Now imagine each thought as a cloud passing through the sky. You don't chase it, you don't stop it, you just watch it pass and gently return your attention to the present moment. See how simple it was? Next is reducing noise in daily life. You can also reduce mental noise by limiting constant distractions like switching tasks too often, taking short pauses during the day, and not overloading your mind with too much input. Even small moments of stillness help your mind reset. Next is the real skill. The goal is not silence, the goal is space. Space between thoughts, space to observe, space to choose your response, and in that space, clarity naturally appears. Connection to your journey of telepathy. As mental noise reduces, you'll notice your thoughts feel lighter, your focus becomes easier, your awareness expands, and most importantly, you begin to notice subtle signals more clearly because now there's room for them. Your mind doesn't need to be controlled, it needs to be understood. So instead of fighting your thoughts, just step back and watch them come and go. Because in that quiet observation, you'll find something powerful clarity without effort. In the next lesson, we'll build on this clarity, developing hyper awareness, learning to notice more without becoming overwhelmed. I'll see you there.